welcome to BSc 3 students. Myself, Dr. Mills Goite A.K., Department of Zoology, KBP, Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. Today I am going to talk about in BSc 3 syllabus, paper number 9, the name of the paper non-coordinate. In this non-coordinate syllabus, the name of the topic is the reproduction in protozoa. In the reproduction in protozoa, they are divided into two types. First type is the asexual reproduction and the second type is the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, this is the first part they have completed in lecture, and the second point, remaining second point is the sexual reproduction. In last lecture, the asexual reproduction, these points they are completed, and the second point is the sexual reproduction. In the sexual reproduction, there are two processes. The first process is the synagamy and the second process is the conjugation. The first point is the synagamy. Synagamy means fusion of, it is a union of, the fusion of the two sex cells, generally resulting in the formation of the zygote, the fusion of the nucleus of the zygote cell, which is commonly called as the synakaryon. And in the synagamy, there are the different types of the synagamy. Synagamy means it is a fusion of the two sex cells resulting in the formation of the zygote, and the fusion of the nucleus of the zygote, which is commonly called as the synkaryon. And in the synkaryon, there are different types are present. The first type is the hologamy. What is the meaning of the hologamy? Hologamy means it is a sexual union of two mature individuals, which is commonly called as the hologamy. For example, flagellates and the rhizopods. Second type is the isogamy. This is the isogamy. Isogamy means it is the fusion of similar gametes. For example, the Iliphidium, and the second example is Monocystis. And the third type is the anisogamy. Anisogamy means it is a fusion of two dissimilar gametes. For example, Plasmodium, and the second example is the vulva. Fourth is the autogamy. Autogamy means it is a fusion of two gametes of the same parent, which is commonly called as the autogamy. For example, Actinophrys. Fifth type is the pedogamy. Pedogamy means it is a fusion of two young individuals, which is commonly called as a pedogamy. For example, Actinophrys sole. Sixth is the microgamy. Microgamy means it is a fusion of two microgametes. For example, Arcella. These are the examples of the microgamy. And the last type of the synagamy is the macrogamy. It is a fusion of two macrogametes, which is commonly called as the macrogamy. For example, Actinophrys. This is the first part. In sexual reproduction, there are two processes are present. The first process is the synagamy. These points they are completed. And the second point is the conjugation. Generally in Paramecium, there are two species are present. First species is the Paramecium caudatum, and the second species is the Paramecium aurelia, means genus and the species. These are the two species are present into the Paramotia. In the conjugation, conjugation means the meaning of the conjugation. It is a temporary union of the individual, which is commonly called as the conjugant. In the conjugation processes, for example, Paramecium chordatum, stages of the conjugation. These are the diagrammatically sketched of the stages of the conjugation. In the first diagram, in the first processes, these are the conjugants. Conjugant means it is a temporary union of the two individuals, which is commonly called as the conjugant. In each conjugant, there are two nuclei present. First is the macronucleus and the second is the micronucleus. In the second processes, these macronucleus, they are disfragmented or disappear, and the micronucleus, generally they are divided into the two nuclear forms, and these micronucleus, they are again divided to form the four nuclei. In the four nuclei, the three nuclei generally they are disappear, and remaining one nuclei, they are divided unequally to form the male pronuclei and the female pronuclei. In the male pronuclei, it is a small and the migratory, and the female pronuclei, it is a large, stationary and passive in each conjugant. These are the unequal divisions, generally they are formed. And these male pronuclei and female pronuclei, they are exchanged in each conjugant vice versa. And these male pronuclei and female pronuclei, they are fused with each other to form the zygote nucleus. And these zygote nucleus, they are present in each conjugant. The Paramecium, generally they are separate, which is commonly called as X-conjugant. In each X-conjugant, zygote nucleus is present, and these zygote nucleus, they are again divided 2 to 3 times. These zygote nuclei divide to form the two nuclei. These two nuclei, they are again divided to form the four nuclei. These four nuclei are again divided to form the 8 nuclear form. These four nuclei, generally 4 are the macronucleus, and the remaining 4 nuclei is the micronucleus. These 3 nucleus disappear and 1 micronucleus remain again divided to form the binary fission. In each binary fission, the 2 are the macronucleus and 1 micronucleus is present. And these micronucleus, generally they are again divided in the conjugation processes. At the complete conjugation processes, the 4 daughter individuals are formed. This is the processes of the conjugation. And the second conjugation processes, for example, Paramecium aurelia, these are the diagrammatically sketched stages in the autogamy. What is the meaning of the autogamy? Autogamy means it is a process of nuclear reorganization in Paramecium aurelia resembling conjugation, but taking place within a single individual, which is commonly called as the autogamy. Autogamy means it is a self-generally conjugation. In the autogamy processes, stages in the autogamy processes, this is the diagrammatically sketch. This first diagram, the macronucleus, micronucleus are present in the Paramecium, and these are 2 micronuclei. They are again divided into the meiosis to form the 8 haploid nuclei. In the 7th nucleus, generally micronuclei, they are disappear, and the meganucleus, generally disfragmented into the cytoplasm. These 1 nucleus, they are divided mitotically. 1 micronucleus divides mitotically to form the 2 gametic nuclear form. And these two gametic nuclei, generally, they are again divided to form the fuse with each other to form the zygote nucleus are formed. In this zygote nucleus, they are again divided to form the four nuclear present. The meganucleus generally disintegrating or the disfragmented into the cytoplasm, and these four nuclei present in the paramecium, two are the micronucleus and the two are the meganucleus or the macronucleus. These micronucleus, they are again divided by the binary fission. In each binary fission, generally one are the macronucleus and two are the micronucleus. And these paramecium, generally they are divided to form the two daughter individuals, or the two daughter parameciums are formed in the paramecium aurelia of the stages in the autogamete. Next stage is the paramecium stages in the endomixis. Endomixis. What is the meaning of the endomixis? Endon means within, and mixis means meaningly. These are the Latin words of the endomixis. This is the diagrammatically sketch of the stages of the endomixis. This is the first diagram. This is the macronucleus. This is the two are the micronucleus in the paramecium. Second stage, these macronucleus generally they are disintegrating or the disfragmented, and these two micronuclei they are again divided to form the four micronuclei form. And these four micronuclei generally they are again divided to form the eight nuclear form. In the third stages, these are the eight micronuclei present in paramecium. In the eight nuclei, the six nuclei are disintegrated or the disappear into the cytoplasm. Only one nucleus they are divided into one nucleus is the remain in the paramecium. These one nucleus generally they are formed by the two daughter parameciums are formed. Two daughter parameciums are formed. In these two daughter paramecium, the nucleus, micronucleus, they are again divided to form the two nuclei. These two nuclei, they are again divided to form the four nuclei. In the four nuclei, two are the macronucleus and two are the micronucleus. In the binary fission, two daughter paramecium generally they are formed. In each daughter paramecium, the four are the micronucleus. These two micronuclei they are again divided to form the four nuclear form. And at the end of the endomixis, the four daughter individuals are formed. The four daughter parameciums are formed in the paramecium, the stages in the endomixis. Generally, in these endomixis, the rearrangement is between the cytoplasm and nuclear apparatus. The nuclear exchange generally they are takes place into the paramecium. And the last is the paramecium aurelia in hemimixis. In the hemimixis, this is the diagrammatically sketch. In the diagrammatically sketch of this endomixis, this is the paramecium. There are two nuclear present, macronucleus and the micronucleus. Micronucleus it is a small, macronucleus it is a large. This second stage, macronucleus divides into many fragments into the cytoplasm. And in the third stage, binary fission generally they becomes occur. And these are after the binary fission, at the end of the hemimixis, the two daughter parameciums are formed. This is the stages of the paramecium aurelia in a hemimixis. In the hemimixis, they have produced the two individuals. For example, paramecium aurelia. Thank you.